At number 1, we have the Our Place Wonder Oven. The Wonder Oven is a compact, multifunctional appliance designed to streamline cooking in small spaces. Its standout feature is its 6-in-1 functionality, allowing it to air fry, bake, toast, roast, grill, and reheat. This versatility makes it an excellent replacement for multiple kitchen gadgets. One of the main advantages of the Wonder Oven is its quick preheating time of under 2.5 minutes and its ability to cook up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. It has a temperature range from 93 to 232 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of cooking tasks. The oven's design includes a non-stick interior for easy cleaning and comes with essential accessories like a bake pan, air fryer basket, wire rack, and crumb tray. Despite its compact size, with dimensions of approximately 29.5 centimeters in height and a 12-liter capacity, it offers surprising interior space, though it's best suited for small households or individuals. The aesthetic design is another highlight, available in several attractive colors. So that sums up my top 5 toaster